Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about my new video. I keep my videos simple and short so you guys can easily learn my Google Analytics tips. Today I'm gonna talk about how to create segment for any geolocation, for any country, for any city, region, state. So just log in with your Google Analytics account. This is my Google Analytics account. You can say this is my demo account, and here this is a segment. You can, if you want to create any segment, then you can click here and then you can click on new segment button, and here you can give any name. Suppose you want to check US traffic only, then you can give here US traffic the name, then click on conditions. Here you can see sessions and users. Sessions means visits, and users means visitors. So one visitor can you know visit your website multiple times. So you can use, but I will recommend you use sessions. Here you can use include, exclude, uh, whatever you want. So we are tracking US traffic, so we will include US traffic, so we will use here include. Suppose if you want to exclude any country or multiple countries, you can use exclude here. So we will use include, and here you can choose your dimension. So we are going to track country, so we will use country here, and here we can choose US. Click on outside area, and then you can see last 7 days data in percentage. So it's provide users data. So I don't have much traffic and users, so it's providing to only two users. So don't worry about that. In your case it will provide you, if you have much data, then it will provide you good data here. So this is a country segment. You can save this, but I will also explain you how you can create multiple countries. So it has a little different. Suppose you want to track US and India traffic, suppose. So you can change this name, and you have to use regular expression, and then you have to use pipe without space. You have to type India and click outside, and here you can see last 7 days data of US plus India. So you can save it. So here you can see that you have created a segment. You can compare with any segment. Suppose you want to compare with all users, so you can do that. So here you can see all users US India, all users US India. Now let's see how to create segment on other geolocations. Like, you can also create on city. So search here city dimension, and here you can see multiple. You can write here multiple cities, or if you want to use single, then you can use here single city. You can also use region. We also call it state. You can use here. Or if you want to use, you want to track continent, so you can use continent. Yes, and here you can see any continent you want to track, you can use. So this is a overview of how you can create segment on any geolocation. Now I will tell you how you can delete this. So go here, and here you can selected, and you can go to action, and then you can edit, copy and delete anything you can do. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want to ask anything, if you have any query, you can comment me. And thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.